Aloha students, Mr. Mitchell here. I want to show you something I just found out about YouTube here. This camera's up high, apologies for not looking at it. But I got the volume on this video shut off, but I'm going to play it. It'd be my voice anyways there. And most of you know you can come down here and closed captionings and click on that and it'll give you closed captionings. Now this is starting off in English. Well, before I do this, one thing, you can click on this and you can move it around to a location on your screen if it's blocking something and all that. So it doesn't let you go everywhere, but you can get it set up where you want it to be on there. But just wanted to show you that. But more importantly, if you go on settings here and we've got English auto generated, I click that, and if I click on auto translate, I can go in here and pick my language. So I can switch it off to Korean, and you can see that's starting to come up in Korean, though it changes the centering. We got to put it up there. I don't want Korean. I'm going to come up here again. I'm going to click on auto translate. Come down here. I know I've got some Thai students this year, so let's click on Thai. And you'll see it start coming up on Thai. Again, I can move that to where it's convenient for me. It doesn't let me go to the right too far for some reason, but there's Thai. And of course, a lot of our students speak Spanish. So again, settings, subtitles, auto translate. I can come down on here and find Spanish. There we are. Click on that, and it's going to translate it into Spanish. Now, is this perfect? I doubt it, but it is something that works and you can use to help you out. So if you're having troubles understanding myself or another lesson you look up online, you can translate it into a language that you're more comfortable with and hopefully get a little bit more out of it. This is Mr. Mitchell. I'm out of here. You have a good day. I hope this has been some help. Let me know if it has, and we'll talk to you in class. See you soon.